Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your folder and rename your folder. And also I'm going to show you how you can rename your folder with shortcut key. So first I'm going to create a folder. Right click on your mouse. From new, create new folder. You can see my folder here. Just click on it and simply click on rename. So this has a shortcut. Simply select your folder and click F2. Then it also do the same thing. It will be enabled to rename your folder. Then write your folder name and click outside the folder. So that's way you can easily rename your folder and create your folder. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.